Hey, Crystal, I need some advice you.
What's up, George?
So, there's this red-headed girl in class, and I kind of got a crush on her,
Oh,
but yeah, I don't know, how to ask her out. I don't even know if she knows my name, but yeah,
come on.
you got any advice?
I would personally just be natural and just go straight forward
Go straight forward
and ask her out?
how I do that?
I don't know. For my personal advice, I think you should just go straight forward and say, "Hi, my name is George," and give her an appearance.
Hold on. I am gonna write this down.
Okay. And next step is if you are free, you always have to check if she's either married or if she is single.
Okay,
So, number 2 is what you're looking for.
okay, number two.
So, if she is single, just say, "Hey, how about we go out for a cup of coffee or something?"
Okay, coffee.
And, yeah, that's how you get her.
So yeah, what if she doesn't like coffee though? I mean, what else could we do we on a date? Assuming she will say yes. What's fun to do on a date anyway?
Fun to do on a date. It's just the fact that you're being with her and just try to get to know her more.
Wait, wait 1 second. Do I need to pay for this?
I don't think you should pay on the first date. I think sometimes that can be offensive to women.
Oh, that's great because I am totally broke.
I think you should just ask her casually, not like a date. Just say, "Hey, I would like to know you a little bit more," and just go out for a small little drink, like go to that new cafe that's open. Like a lot of girls think that place is so cute. I think you should take her there.
But I think cafes are boring.
Cafes are boring. Men. Women don't think so. This is the point.